Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is a math trick. Now I have no clue how this math trick works, or it just always never fails to amaze people. Anyways, let's get straight into it. It's a tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to do it. We don't need a performance. You see in this tutorial. So what happens right now is you say to the spectator, can you pick 3 cards? Now obviously you would know, being a spectator, to remember 3 cards is pretty hard, you know what I mean? So you tell them to write down their 3 cards, but in this case we're just going to use the 3 aces. Now this is purely for tutorial reasons. Okay? We're just using the 3 aces, they're easy to remember, we didn't have to write down any cards, easy. Now what we do is we're going to create 3 piles, one there, one there, and one there, behind all their cards. The first pile here is going to contain 10 cards, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second pile here is going to contain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Square them up. And the last piles can also contain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we've got our 3 piles, and we've got 10, 15, 15. And to make sure you've counted correctly, if you just go here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have 9 cards remaining, you've counted correctly. Now what you're going to do is you're going to say to the spectator, so of course these cards here will be face down, and you're going to say to the spectator, can you place your first card, which is this one right here, and put it on top of the first pile? And they would do that. And then you would say, now take a portion from the second pile and put it on top. So just like cutting the cards, but you're taking it from the second pile and put it on top of the first pile. Now you're going to say to the spectator, put your second card on top of this card, this pile number 2, and take a portion from pile number 3 and put it on top. Take your last card, right here, put it on top of this pile and put the 9 cards on top. So now we've got all our things, well they think's mixed up, but there's no trick, it's just all mathematics, so it's all going to work by itself, it's self-working. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the third pile, so the last pile you work with, put it on top of the second, like that, and the second on top of the first. So we can't mix up that order. And now what you're going to do is while you're talking, we don't really need it, you just take 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place them on the bottom. That is crucial, you can't miss that step. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place a pile face up and a pile face down and keep alternating face up, face down, face up, face down, with face up always first. Face up always has to come first or the trick will not work. So once you're going face up, face down, and it's going to keep going, then what you're going to say to them is if your card comes up in the face up pile, then tell me, but their card will not come up. That's just a part of the trick. Anyway, so let's go. Put 1 face up and 1 face down. Okay. So we've got that. We'll keep going. Face up, face down, like that. And now, so we finished, and you're going to say to the spectator, you sure, your cards are in there, and they'll say no, so you place this card out to the side. Now you do it again with the remaining cards, and remember to always put face up first, then face down. So keep alternating, face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, and keep going. Now just keep in mind, the spectator will not see their cards, so you don't have to look. Well, if you've counted correctly and put the card in the wrong order, the spectator should not see their card. The only way they will see their card is if you've forgotten to put the 4 cards on the bottom, or you've jumbled up the trick. Anyway, so you say to them, there any of your card in here? They say no, you put it out. You do the same thing again, face up, face down, same thing, face up, face down. Now right now they're going to say, no, and then they're gonna say, well, actually no, my cards are in there. You say, you sure? it's not in there. You put it away. Now you do it one more time, and you go face up, no, face up, face down, okay, face up, face down, face up, and face down. Okay, now this is the exciting part of the trick, and they're going to say, wait, how come my card not have come up here? You've gone through 52 cards, you got 3 left, don't tell me they're my 3 cards. And you're going to be like, well, I hate to spoil your day, but these are your 3 cards you chose. Now, thanks for watching, everybody. I think this card trick is a really great tutorial, and just, you know, really pull it out in front of your friends and family. It's just really fun. It's always going to work. Just always remember the follow steps that I did, and it probably involves near to none practice. Just get out there, start impressing people. Please comment and subscribe. Let me know if you want any tutorials or to watch any of your videos. Thank you, everybody.